Welcome to this tutorial. Within the next minutes, we will show how to implement the Profinet IO-Link Master from SICK into a Siemens S300 PLC environment using the engineering tool Step 7. First of all, the Step 7 software is started and a new project is generated by clicking on File, New. The project name has to be entered, which is in our example IO-Link Master. The hardware PLC settings need to be rebuilt in the software. Right-click on the just generated project, go to Insert New Object and add the relevant station. In this example, we are using a SIMATIC 300. The name is left as SIMATIC 300. In this station, the hardware configuration is opened by double-clicking on SIMATIC 300 and then Hardware. First of all, the hardware rack needs to be added. Go to SIMATIC 300, Rack 300 and add the rail via drag and drop to the hardware configuration. Then the used CPU is added. In this example, it is a CPU 315 2PN DP. Select the relevant file and add it to the configuration in slot 2. The IP address needs to be configured. The given IP address of the CPU is 192.168.0.100. In the next step, a new subnet needs to be added. We will call it IOLM. Now the subnet and the CPU's IP address is set and will be confirmed with OK. The Profinet network is now added to the CPU. The next step is to add the IO-Link Master. The necessary GSDML file has been downloaded from sick.com and needs to be installed now. Go to Options and Install GSD file. Browse the folder, select the file and click on Install. Afterwards, the hardware catalog is being updated. Before the IO-Link Master is added, the IP address as well as a name needs to be assigned. Go to PLC, Ethernet, Edit Ethernet node. Click on Browse. In the network, the CPU and the Profinet IO-Link Master is visible. Select the IO-Link Master, edit the IP address, which is in the IP address range of the CPU. In this example, it is the 192.168.0.106. Click on Assign IP configuration. Also a name is required. Select a name. In this example, it is SICK-PN and click on Assign Name. Go to the hardware catalog, open Profinet IO, Additional Field Devices, IO, SICK, IOL, and add the IO-Link Master via drag and drop to the network. Enter the device properties by double-clicking the device symbol. The just assigned device name SICK-PN is entered as device name. By clicking on Ethernet, the Ethernet settings need to be adjusted. First of all, set the IP address to the correct area, which is in this case 192.168.0.106. Confirm everything with OK. In slot 1, the name has to be adjusted as well. Double-click the slot and change the name to SICK-PN. Go to the Parameters tab and select the port functions. To port 0, an IO-Link device is connected, so the value needs to be changed to IO-Link. Confirm with OK. On slot 2, the standard I/O needs to be deleted. Go to the hardware catalog and select IO-Link modules. Now the correct module needs to be added. This depends on the connected sensor. In this case, a sensor with a process data length of 4 bytes is connected. This information can be found in the IO-Link manual of the sensor. Add this module via drag and drop to slot 2. If a validation is required, this can be done via double-clicking on this module, and in the tab Parameters, this parameter can be changed. Now the configuration is finished and it can be compiled. After compilation, it is loaded to the PLC. Confirm all messages. If the mode is now changed to online, the online view confirms that the configuration was OK and no errors occurred. An error would be shown as a strike-through object, for example. The hardware configuration is now successfully completed. The next step we would like to show in this tutorial is the communication with the integrated web server. Just enter the IP address that has been assigned to the IO-Link Master into your browser and you will enter the integrated web server. Make sure the proxy server has been deactivated when using this feature. The device can be diagnosed from here as well. The diagnostic module view shows the current status of the module. The picture represents the actual status of the module itself. Here, connections and errors are displayed. To access process data, the Diagnostic Process tab has to be opened. The connected device is displayed. As soon as the process data change, the web server visualizes these changes immediately. By clicking on Device Properties, service data of the IO-Link device can be read or written. As an example, the standard index 16 is displayed. This index is the vendor name of the connected device. By read index 16 and subindex 0, the IO-Link master reads the data and visualizes it as an ASCII-based hex stream. In this case, the displayed name is SICK AG. For more information, visit us at sick.com.